Hello guys, so today's video I'll be sharing with you how I make my own partial twist at home. See, after watching this video you will not buy partial twist again. So if you want to see how I made that using jumbo braid expression, keep on watching and let's just get into it.
Do you want to know?
So to make the partial twist, these are the things I'll be using. I have already stretched jumbo expression that you can see, jumbo braids, and also I have my skewers. You can use a straw, and also I have some hair bubble pin. Also I'll just go ahead and comb the hair very well so that there will not be any roughness when I'm using it. Then I'll just go ahead and cut the small parts that I need to use out of it and stretch it very well.
Should be living free all together, one and all. Let's build a dream.
So as you can see right here, I keep on twisting the attachment around the skewer. I twist the attachment and also twist it around the skewer. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but I was trying to explain in a play language or in a way that you understand. But if you pay close attention to what I'm doing, you will understand very well. So guys, I just went ahead to repeat the same process to the rest of the skewer. I did use all of the skewer also because the attachment I used is 3-pack. So that is what I just did. Then you will see what I did after in a bit. So keep on watching. Just keep watching so that you don't miss any point at all. So guys, this is everything that I got from the 3 packs of the attachment. As you can see how neat they are, and I will just go ahead and put them in hot water. So here is my boiled hot water, and I'll just go ahead also and add conditioner. So the reason for this conditioner is for the attachment not to tangle. So you have to add a conditioner to it, to the hot water, before putting the attachment. So I'll just set it for about 3 minutes and then pat it dry. So keep watching. So guys, I just let it dry. As you can see, I'm just trying to pat it dry using the cloth. So guys, after the let's say the partial twist have dried, I just went ahead to unravel it, and you can see like the final result is so wow. So guys, that is what I'm doing right now. So guys, this is one of the many that I did. You can see how coily they are, you can see how stretchy it is. So with your attachment, you can make your own kinky coil at home, or you can do your partial twist, whatever it's called. So you can see this is all I got from it. So guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share with others, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.